Sunday, 11:46 a.m. Testing the screen record with microphone. Press command+shift+5 and you will see the screen pop up like this. I'm already recording, so it says stop screen recording, and you see up here it's recording. So how do I get off of that? I have not set up this Mac. I didn't even know how to press enter. It's so stupid. Like, where's enter, right? So I was stuck on selecting United States when I first turned on the Mac, and I didn't want to press the wrong button. I couldn't find any tutorials on how to get past United States. I kept clicking on United States, but it wouldn't do nothing. The whole afternoon passed by. I went back on. I said, forget it. I'll just click away. And then on the bottom it said continue. I was clicking United States, United States, United States. I had to click continue. So no left click, no right click. I was confused. I was tapping the screen with 2 fingers, 3 fingers on United States, and it wouldn't do nothing. Computer illiterate, Mac illiterate. So this is my first recording. I'm gonna stop it and test it to see what it do.